Hello from Caregiving 101. Welcome to another Health and Wellness Mondays with Michael. I'll be your host for this program, Michael Gagliano from Gagliano Wellness and Rehabilitation here in the city of Greensboro, North Carolina. Today I'm joined by my wife Suzanne, who's going to help demonstrate some of the movements in advanced basic back care. We're going to build upon the pelvic clock that we started a while ago. So we're going to review a little bit about the positions. The pelvic clock is basically something that we look at for our low back. Our low back sits just about in that position. We're going to think of it as an old-fashioned clock face. And we're going to think of 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. So Suzanne's going to help us review. We're going to look at the 12 and 6 that you've seen in past sessions. Then we're going to look at the 3 and 9 positions. Then in the advanced, we're going to look at putting it together. So we're going to go 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. If possible, we're going to try 12, 9, 6, 3, clockwise and counterclockwise. Remember, when in doubt, we go back to the basic of 12 and 6. This is to maintain our backs. This will also help us in our role of caregivers. We're helping people going from a sit to stand. We're transitioning them from their bed to their wheelchairs, from their toilet seat to their wheelchairs. All those different transition points are opportunities for us to tweak our low backs. So this is maintenance for our low backs, and it's also restorative when we do get injured. So Suzanne's going to help us. I want you to focus right down here on our pelvic girdle, and we're going to review just 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. I'm going to help Suzanne with the motions first. 12 and 6. 12, slow down, and 6. Keep going. 12 and 6. Remember, you're using the least amount of energy you can. You do not have to over-exaggerate the movements. You're slow and rhythmical like an old-fashioned piano metronome. 12, 6, 12, and 6. Stop for one moment. When we are first injured, if you are moving even in 12 to 6 or doing any of the pelvic clock positions, if it causes pain, don't go to the extreme of those movements. Actually, you could just imagine those movements in your mind's eye and you will get the same relaxation, inhibitory effect on pain. So you never have to push and go into that no pain, no gain route. I don't want you to do that. Now we're going to take that same sacrum. So we have 12 and 6. Now I'm going to help her pelvis. 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. 9 and 3. Slow down. 9. You could use your knees to help you if you need it. 3. 9 and 3. 9 and 3. 9 and 3. 9 and 3. And stop. So we got the two basics. There were other videos on the 12 and 6 and 3 and 9, so you could review those at Caregiving 101 or at our YouTube channel at Caregiving 101. Now we're going to put them together. We're going to go 12, 3, 6, 9. We're going to go clockwise. So I'm going to help Suzanne to get started. 12, 3, 6. Slow down. 9. 12. Commit to each position. 3, 6. That's it. 9. 12. 3, 6. 9. 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9. Continue. Remember, she's using her legs a little bit to help her. She's using the least amount of energy. She's doing it slow and rhythmical. If this was causing her pain, she would do it less of a grand motion or no motion at all. She'd just be imagining the motion. Stop for a minute. So we have clockwise. Now we're going to put counterclockwise together. And there's a difference. Eventually, just like with the 3 and 6, I'm sorry, the 3 and 9 and the 12 and 6, each motion should feel equally as comfortable. You should feel equally at ease, and that takes practice. 5 minutes twice a day when you're getting up in the morning, just before you get up, and right before you go to sleep. It's a great way to maintain your back. So now we're going to do 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, slow down, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3. You continue. Eventually, your clockwise and counterclockwise should feel exactly the same amount of ease. These simple movements of the pelvic clock will help maintain your back. It will lessen the injuries that we all suffer throughout life and the tasks we do. From Caregiving 101 and Gagliano Wellness and Rehabilitation, we wish you health, balance, and harmony. Until next week, have a great day.